I will update you on the current situation of the Middle East war, reaching out through Zhang Silbei Cloud Sensor Studio. The United States and Iran currently seem to be sticking to fundamentally incompatible negotiation positions. An anonymous source familiar with the latest US response said on May 17th to Fars News, a media outlet affiliated with the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, that the United States presented 5 key conditions in response to Iran's recent counterproposal. The report states the United States refused Iran's war reparations demands and asked Iran to transfer 400 kilograms of enriched uranium to the US. The United States reportedly stated Iran could operate only one nuclear facility and no more than 25% of its frozen assets could be released. In addition, it was stated that the war would only end if the negotiations were successfully concluded. In fact, because the gap between the two sides' positions is so large, there seems to be no progress in the negotiations. It has been confirmed that Iran launched 3 drones targeting the Barakah nuclear power plant in Abu Dhabi, UAE, on May 17th. Afterward, Iranian regime-linked media blamed Saudi Arabia for the attack, attempting to stir conflict between the UAE and Saudi Arabia. Currently, the UAE Ministry of Defense has stated that the radiation levels at the Barakah nuclear power plant remain at normal levels. Their air defense system intercepted 2 of the drones, while the remaining one struck a power generator inside the Barakah plant in Abu Dhabi, causing a fire. The Ministry of Defense also explained that the drones came from the west. The International Atomic Energy Agency also announced that radiation levels at the Barakah nuclear power plant remain normal, and that there have been no reports of casualties. The issue is that the Barakah nuclear power plant was built by Korea. There were also 280 Korean employees working at the Barakah plant. Fortunately, there were no casualties, but it was a dangerous moment. Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps affiliated media reportedly used the attack to stir discord between the UAE and other Gulf countries. Iranian Revolutionary Guard affiliated media alleged Saudi Arabia was behind the attack, noting the drone originated west of the UAE on May 17. Dafa Press, linked to the Iranian Armed Forces General Staff, claimed on May 17 that the US and Israel attacked regional countries and blamed Iran. In the past, Iran has also attempted to create rifts between the UAE and other Gulf countries through attacks targeting the UAE. This is seen as Iran's response to growing security ties between the United States, Israel, and the UAE. The United States Central Command stated that since starting its port blockade against Iran on April 13, it has redirected 81 merchant ships by May 17, with 4 ships neutralized. Tasnim News Agency, linked to the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, reported on May 17 that Iranian Parliament Speaker Mohammad Ghalibaf has been named Iran's special representative for China. Tasnim News Agency reports Iranian President Pezeshkian nominated Speaker Ghalibaf, and Supreme Leader Mojtaba Khamenei approved it. Tasnim especially emphasized that Speaker Ghalibaf's appointment this time is different in terms of the level of authority compared to previous special representative positions related to China. If there are future updates, I'll make and upload another video. Thanks for watching!
Ja.